Welcome back. Time now for the financial week. VM Investments is seeking to expand overseas, but is yet to determine the exact location where it will set up. The company's CEO says the entity's strategic acquisitions unit is looking at various locations.
We are exploring those opportunities. Those opportunities are numerous. We're exploring those opportunities. Obviously, there are in M&A, there are a number of things to consider: culture, the financial literacy rate of the population, foreign exchange control, many factors, GDP outlook. But it is on our radar. It is actually on the balance scorecard for VMIL, which we have to report onto the board periodically. So it is front and center for us.
VM Investments opened 4 new branches across the island last year, despite the COVID-19 pandemic. Jamaica has received a loan from the World Bank to the tune of $150 million to help with the COVID-19 recovery. The loan, which is a quick disbursing facility, will help the government protect the poor and vulnerable, support business growth and job creation, and strengthen policies and institutions for resilient recovery. Now, it comes as the COVID-19 pandemic has led to Jamaica's deepest economic contraction in decades, due in part to the drop in tourism earnings. The dollar made further gains on the U.S. currency today, with the greenback ending the week at $146.42. The Canadian dollar, however, strengthened to $119.70. The pound and euro gained value also and now cost $204.79 and $177.17 respectively. Proven Investments has entered into an agreement to acquire Fidelity Bank Cayman. The agreement should see Proven Investments acquiring the bank this summer, providing all conditions are met. A purchase price was not disclosed, but Proven says the proposed acquisition is in line with its strategy of regional growth through acquisitions in the regulated sector. Gains mainly in financial stocks helped the JC index to regain some of yesterday's losses with a 365-point advance, while the junior market was almost unchanged. The stocks performing the best were Siboney Group, GMMB Group 7.25% preference shares, Jamaica Public Service Company's 9.5 preference shares, 138 Student Living, and Phosphorus. The worst performers were GMMB 7.25% variable preference shares, G West Corporation, Dolphin Cove 1834 Investments, and Mayberry Investments. And that's the Financial Week international stories and our bite of the week when we return.